Last night I went into a bar that I visit now and then. There I saw the saddest sight I'll ever see again. A man was standing in the corner with a gun in hand. And as he raised it to his head, with weary words, here's what he said. The world is in a spell and man is living in a trance. The world's so full of greed that you and me don't stand a chance. People just don't seem to give a damn about their fellow man. In a world so full of misery, there ain't no room for me. I stepped up closer and I told him, man, don't be a fool. But I could see that there was nothing I could say or do. For he had made his mind up and he was bound to leave this world. He said, listen to me, friend, for I won't say these words again. The world is in a spell and man is living in a trance. The world's so full of greed that you and me don't stand a chance. People just don't seem to give a damn about their fellow man.